Okay.
There's no reason for you not to take these in order then, I guess. So we'll start with the first one.
Oh crap.
Biologists have engineered double helix DNA that has 6 instead of 4 nucleotides. Bob, you think this one is the fiction, and this one is science. They have done it. And you were right, Bob. The trick was finding nucleotides that would contribute to the double helix, that would have the same physical relationship. They found other nucleotides that would pair up, but they would break the helical structure of the DNA. So first you need 2 nucleotides. Well, one of your letters was correct. P is correct. The other one is Z. So Z and P.